I'm Cindy Sweeney. I started October 24th. I'm a technician at Leith Acura. I like working here at Leith because there's other women in the building. Last shop didn't approve of women in the shop. They told me that women did not deserve to be in the shop touching cars, period. That's what they told me. I don't know why. It's just what it is. The message I want to get across is women can do anything they put their minds to. Work on cars, houses, whatever. Women should definitely work in the shop. Back at you.
Hi, I'm Brianna. I'm a service advisor here at Leith Acura, Raleigh. I've been here for about 4 months, and I am the middleman between the guest and the technician. And I believe that women deserve to be in the garage.
My experience here is unique as this is the only garage I've ever worked at with lady technicians. My name is LaShea Jeffries. I'm a warranty administrator and shop dispatcher at Leith Acura. My role here is to help the work flow through the shop smoothly. I am the middleman between the service advisors and the technicians, get the customers' cars in and get them serviced as quickly as possible. Women deserve to work in the garage.
When I was younger, like my mom, dad, they were, struggling. So when their cars broke down, they didn't have the money to fix it. So I told myself that I'm gonna learn how to fix one of those one day. And that's what built me up to start just working on it. So it's like a little personal for me, but my name's KC. I'm a technician at Leith Acura, and I enjoy breaking down engines as a woman.